All right, everybody, we are back. And this one is a special edition, the food truck and wine walk tasting at Taviti Village. Shout out to Las Vegas for throwing on this event. Great event. Anybody who loves food and wine should definitely be at this event. So this right here was the food trucks and the food that they will have. Also, the wine pairing that they have with the food that they will have. So as you guys can see, it was about 12 to 15 food trucks, all serving different things, and they all have a different wine pairing with it. So I thought that was awesome. So as you guys see, I'm going to be on a journey, trying different foods and different wines. Never been a huge wine consumer, so this definitely opened my eyes up to a whole new world. Let's get into it. And I had to get the VIP experience. As far as the VIP experience, you get your access to this section right here. They have a private DJ for you. They have open bar and an open buffet of hors d'oeuvres, stuff like that. So come over here, catch a little seat, chill, listen to the DJ, catch a vibe, or you could just, sit back, relax. As you guys can see, it's beautiful weather. You see, there's lots of foodies out here. Lots of foodies. Shout out to Las Vegas again for throwing on this event. As far as the VIP experience, each person gets a cup. You're able to wash them out and everything at each station. First station was mimosa. The concept of this was basically just mimosa in one bottle. You don't have to combine anything. You don't have to shake anything up or add it. You just chill this, pour it up, and serve. I think they had like 8 different flavors. And it's 10% alcohol. Very tasty. This was the buffet of hors d'oeuvres that they had for us. As you guys can see, fresh fruits, meats, crackers, cheese, fresh honey, fresh jams, and all different type of stuff. See, I had some salami and some meat, some fresh honey. That was my first time eating fresh honey, and that was amazing. Amazing. I also had some Italian sliders up there for you. It was my first time trying that style of Italian sliders, like authentic. It was good, tasty. All right, first stop, Antidote. They were serving the salmon, and it was fire. Look at this. The onion chives. They had a little veggie mix underneath, like peas and celery and ham, drizzled in honey. Listen here. Fire. When I mean the first bite, just the initial, just get into it. Just the oh man, it was fire. Next stop, as y'all see, moving. It's going to be strip cheese. They offered the egg roll mac and cheese. Listen, this was probably top 3 best thing that was there. When I mean this is the one and not the 2, that's what I mean. Fire. I mean, just straight out the gate, it was just, I gotta get some more. I gotta get the recipe for this thing. It was just too good to be true. Like I was saying earlier, at each station, you're able to get your ticket checked off and get a wine pairing. As I was saying earlier, you're able to rinse out your cups, dump them out, and get some more wine. Next stop, pizza. Had to get a good slice. Couldn't get a good video, people were crowding the food truck, so sorry about that. Next stop, get some good wine again, Had a good taste. I think that one was a good dry one. Eat those tacos. Oh yeah. Ready to get into it. So I had to, squeeze the fresh lime over there. Let's get into it. Man. Shout out to Vito's Tacos. Excellent burrito tacos. And back to some wine. And more food. This one was a shrimp ceviche on a cracker. And listen here. Some of the best ceviche. They did their thing with this one. Next stop, Four Corners. You see, we moving and grooving. And the lines weren't long. They may seem long, but they weren't. You see, they had the grilled octopus. Had to get the grilled octopus, and it was fire. Oh man. Shout out to all the vendors. Boy, I had to get the little brisket sandwich. Oh yeah. Fresh brisket too. The mayo, pickle. That's all you needed. Just Jerk. Just Jerk had the fried chicken sandwich with some jerk sauce. As you see the guy right there, he could pour it for you, or you could get it plain. It was all up to you. But Just Jerk was fire. Definitely loved them. See it, nice crispy fried. Look at that. See the golden coat from here. Your boy had to get into it. Look at that. Look at that. Nice seasoned up. Ah, yeah. Shout out to Just Jerk. Good jerk chicken sandwich. That's the one. Next stop, Nutty's Wings and Things. They had the pulled pork, and man, barbecue sauce was homemade. Listen, people, listen. They do catering, so let me know. Nutty Wings and Things. Definitely have to dive in and get more. Definitely interested in getting more. I gotta see what they talking about. Next stop, El Manny's Tacos and Ceviches. See, they have the ceviche option. Now this was a fish ceviche. So this was heavy on the fish side. So very, very different. Very tasty though. Very tasty.
Yeah. It's that shit you wake up to.
Listen, people. Food truck and wine walk is the way to go. If you are in Las Vegas, you have to go to this. On my way out, had to sneak me in another little taco, carne asada, sprinkled with the cotija cheese and some green sauce, with a little bit of avocado in there. Listen here, great way to end it off. All I gotta say is, food truck and wine walk of Las Vegas is the best, people. Catch your boy on the next one. I'm out. Lick the plate.